guys, good evening. Magluto ta og stir-fried Pancit Cantoon. We're gonna put these vegetables in there. We're gonna stir-fry this one first. The vegetables we have here: cabbage, sliced carrots, sliced tomato, and some chicken thigh. This is garlic and onion leaves. I'm gonna separate the green one. I'm gonna add this one last. So we're gonna start cooking this. We're gonna put the oil first. I'm gonna put at least 2 tablespoons of oil. We're gonna get hot a little bit. We're gonna add our garlic. And we add our garlic. I like using this bamboo stick, guys, because it's really easy. When you stir it like this, see, it's really easy. You stir your food in your pan. Kaya na kaayo siya. Dili rapod kaayo. Dili kay mo lagsik-lagsik, see? The oil won't splatter everywhere. Very nice. Then gonna add this onion. Don't burn the spices, guys. Don't gonna burn this one. It's gonna taste bitter, pait. Just try this one to turn brown a little bit. Now we're gonna add our chicken thighs. We wait until the chicken thigh is kinda brown a little, then we will add the vegetables. I've seen this recipe in YouTube. One of my YouTube friends. It looks so interesting, so it's my first time to make this. I'm gonna try this one. I wanna see it is really good. If you are interested in new food, you must try it. So this one is so interested, so I'm gonna try this one. I hope it turned out good. Now our chicken is brown. We're gonna add our potato. We will stir ukay-ukay. This one, mag-ukay-ukay sa ta. Then we will add our carrots. See, carrots. After this one get tender, we're gonna add this Knorr chicken cube. This is Knorr. I don't know how to pronounce that. Knorr chicken broth cubes. Yeah, it's a chicken broth cubes. It's really good in your food. You must try this. Now we're gonna add this one. Our rice ready guys. Look, it's ready. We always eat with rice. We melt this near cubes here. So we will mix the vegetable really good. So fast also. See? Not so fast when you rub it like that. Now we're gonna add our cabbage. See, cabbage. So, will be so yummy. Hintayin nating mag-tender siya guys. Then we will add our Pancit Cantoon. This product is not sponsored. We just love eating these noodles. So this is not sponsored. We buy this one from our own money. All the food products that I use in this cooking are not sponsored also, like that Knorr is not sponsored. That Knorr is what I use every single day because it makes your food really good. Okay. So now guys, we're gonna add our Pancit Canton here. We will cover that one so it'll get soft. And put the flame in low heat so you won't burn your vegetable. Now we're gonna stir it again. You'll see it's already tender. Ah, not yet tender. I think I need water, so I'm gonna add water from this chicken that I boiled. So I'm gonna add some water this one. Then you have to add water. Okay. So now the water is in. We'll cover it again. Hope it turned out good. It's my first time to try this food.
Save those noodles. Give me six points of noodles. And I say
Now we will add the seasoning. Oops, nagyabo. Seasoning of the Lucky Me noodles. Here, seasoning. It's oil and soy sauce. Here's the other one. And the powder. This is calamansi flavor.
Scrooge has got a light bulb.
Wow!
Oodles of noodles. You should put some hamburger helper in there. Hamburger helper,
Video be
hamburger
so very smart you hold it.
makes a
Don't
great
mix it.
mellow.
A small stick will work, so I'm gonna use the big stick. I think we have to cook the noodles first for putting.
You didn't boil the noodles first?
Nope. I tried it this way, but it didn't work. This is hot.
But we're talking height.
Add some water.
Get that. Hamburger helper.
And last, the green leaves. It's done now. Ready to eat. And let's have a taste. Let's have a taste, guys. Tastes good.